Coffee with Kiran, and here we have a very amazing guest with us, Nidhi Seni, who is a communication skills trainer. She is a life coach and now she is also an author. So, welcome, Nidhi. I'm very
Thank
glad
you.
to have you on this channel.
Thank you, Kiran. Thank you. It means a lot that you asked me to come and chat with you. Have coffee with you.
So thank you so much
Thank you
that
so
you
much.
came, and it will be a very value added session for our audience as well. So I just request you to tell something about yourself, just introduce yourself to our audience.
Um, so, as you already mentioned, I'm a communication skills trainer turned life coach turned an author. And I'm not somebody who started her career with education or as being a trainer. My career started, I worked in the textile industry for 15 years.
Oh,
And 15 साल के बाद कुछ और आता नहीं था तो 15 साल तो निकाल दिए. But after that, I realized I was like, I'm not really happy with it. So that's when I made a little shift in my career. And not that education was my favorite profession since college or any time, but I decided to give it a try. This was actually a suggestion from my father, and I was surprised that I enjoyed it, and I started with schools, and I think I couldn't got a better start with the school, the organization that I started with. I think that's a model place for anybody who wants to fall in love with education and this particular industry. That was one place which taught me a lot of values, that it's possible to inculcate a lot of values and the culture that we have around us, the community feeling and inclusion to children itself. So that was a wonderful place. I worked with them. I worked with a couple of more schools, but soon I realized that I do want to be in schools, and I wanted to actually do some value addition to the lives of others as well as for myself, and that's when I moved to training. And i had went in for a certification. I did my certification and I became a certified trainer to train adults, especially for spoken English. And a very organic transition happened to being a life coach. So my journey, I feel, my career path over the last 21 years has just moved very organically. जैसा आता गया, I think मैं लेती गई, and I kept learning, I kept moving, and here I am with you, and that's how we met.
great, Nidhi.
So
So you just like I would say that it's just not that when we start with something, we should always end with that only. So you started with textile, you came in education, now you are in training, now you are in coach. So everything, whatever we get, we have to just follow it, right?
yes, I totally agree with it. I think one thing, when they say change is constant, हमारी जिंदगी में अगर एक कोई भी चीज constant है तो वो change है. I actually lived my life like that, and which has helped me grow actually. नहीं
Right.
तो वो एक ही जगह पर रहकर बहुत suffocation, saturation भी हो जाता है ना.
Right.
So
Very true. Very true. So, just tell me, since you talked about education and all, so how was you as a child? Were you very talkative? Were you this much energetic? I will say. So, how was you as a child?
okay, this is this is an interesting one. I still remember one of my uncles, मेरे पापा के friend, बचपन से जानते हैं, मतलब उन्होंने हमें देखा है बड़े होते हैं. When he came to know I shifted to education, उन्होंने मुझे कहा, तुम्हें पता है तुम कैसी थी? तुम इतनी शैतान थी, तुम अभी भी वैसी हो कैसी? What kind of a teacher are you? You wanted to know, am I like that or not?
Yeah,
How can you be a teacher? So I was a very naughty child, Kiran. Very means very naughty. And naughty थी, कहना मानती थी. Okay, I was disciplined but still very naughty. And studies की अगर मैं बात, very talkative also by the way, and totally energetic. Yeah, so I was an extrovert, but not like कि मैं किसी से भी जाके कभी भी बात कर लेती थी. But yeah, I never hesitated for a lot of things. Um, स्टडीज की बात करूँ तो मेरे ख्याल से 9th में आकर एक झटका लगा था. आई वॉज अदरवाइज आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक वेरी कंप्लेसेंट एंड ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट कि मैं तो पास हो ही जाऊंगी हर चीज में. सो एक बार आके फेल हो गई थी, तब अकल आई थी कि ओके, हार्ड वर्क इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. जिंदगी एक जैसी नहीं चलती है. आई थिंक दैट वॉज माई फर्स्ट लेसन इन लाइफ where I actually learned when I flunked. After that, yeah, I became serious about my studies. I did very well. I did my completed my education, completed my further education, my college, post grad. Everything went off very very well. But yeah, I was a very naughty child, and I think मैं आज भी बहुत naughty हूँ. And सबसे best part है कि I have a partner in crime with my own son. तो हम दोनों बहुत शैतानी करते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, and we talk all naughty things.
Bonding must be very strong then. The bond
Sorry? Oh,
is
yes.
very strong.
Very, very, very. We are not just for saying, लेकिन I would say that yes, we are friends. We talk anything under the sun. कुछ भी बात करोगे, आप topic ले सकते हो. We do talk about that,
Right.
and he shares everything. So I think we started very early building on that bond when he was very very young.
I just want to be a mother like you, Nidhi, so that my child, my son will also share a lot of things with me, everything with me. So it's a lesson for me that I should be a mother like you.
No, you. I'm going to cut you here, Kiran. That I'm sure you're a very good mom. Each mom is different, and दूसरे जैसा I think हर mother unique है अपने में. So किसी के जैसा, मतलब मैं अपनी मम्मी के जैसी कभी बन नहीं सकती. कभी कभी सोचती हूँ शायद इतना पेशेंस मेरे में हो, किसी दिन आ जाए. So I think we all are unique,
Right.
and that is the best thing. That's going to be your
She's a
uniqueness.
special mother.
Yeah, that's going to be your uniqueness. So be you.
Right, right. So Nidhi, just tell me, after from the you turned to like in the education system you came, then how come you landed in this coaching industry? What was that one thing that made you to go in this coaching and training industry?
um, so I'm not going to lie. I had never thought about coaching. ना मुझे पता था that ये industry इतनी बड़ी है, and this is one career which really is there. Of course, सुना था there are so many people, so many of my friends were coaches, but कभी उसको explore नहीं किया कि exactly what it is about. So how I landed up was very very organic. I kind of was going through a rough phase in my life, and वो कहते हैं ना कि मैं फेसबुक पे कुछ सर्च कर रही थी, राइट. फेसबुक सब पढ़ लेता है. आप एक चीज सर्च करो फिर 20 निकल के आती है. सो समथिंग केम अप इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, आरफिन खान का एक वेबिनार, एंड आई काइंड ऑफ क्लिक्ड ऑन इट. आई अटेंडेड इट. आई लाइक्ड इट. I went in for it, the foundation level. I went in for it, and I really, really loved the whole idea, because something I wasn't able to do with myself because of the setback that was at that point of time. I was That helped me overcome a lot of my barriers.
Okay.
And because I could see a change happen in me, I realized that I think I should go further, and I should do the certification, and I should be able to help others, because and today I actually, so it was a very organic transition. बहुत मैं नहीं जानती थी कि मैं ये करूँगी, पर मैं उसमें I landed there. I did it, and I'm really proud of the fact that I did it, because आज जब मैं पीछे मुड़ के देखती हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि my life was, maybe God was somewhere preparing me to be here, because over the last many years, whatever I've seen in my life, the ups and downs, a lot of downs, also जो experiences हुए, I should say that they kind of prepared me कि मैं इस profession में शायद मैं दूसरों का help कर सकती हूँ, because I was able to help myself, and thanks to the experiences I think I can contribute more.
So firstly, we have to go through that experiences. We have to transform our life, right? And after we are with that transformation, we can transform anyone's life, right?
I totally feel that. I totally feel that.
Great, great.
क्योंकि जब तक किसी चीज को खुद नहीं एक्सपीरियंस किया, फिर आप किसी को कैसे आप बता पाओगे कि क्या,
Yeah.
how can you guide them?
Right, right, right. So before this, what were like, I know that you had some bad experiences, some downs, and then you overcome it. But as a person, what is the major transformation in you, or what is the major difference in you which you can see in yourself after coaching and before coaching and after coaching?
There were loads. Actually, I've always been a very outgoing person. So बहुत लोगों को शायद दिखता नहीं है. Okay, because I have been like that. I have been, if whatever has happened or whatever I might be would be going through in my life, I would never show it. In the sense that only very few people knew about it, but बाकी की दुनिया को ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I would be a very the same kind of person that I am even today. लेकिन internally a lot of changes. So मेरे को अपने बारे में बात करने में बहुत अजीब लगता था, बहुत डर लगता था. मुझे लगता था लोग क्यों सुनना भी चाहेंगे मुझे. So I used to hold myself back for various reasons, right? So today I have literally shattered my own belief system what I had earlier. So today the way I network for myself and the way I speak about myself, because I'm so proud of whatever I'm doing. And there was another thing. I have always taken accountability of whatever I do, but today I take my own decisions. Earlier मेरे decisions होते थे, मेरा को validation चाहिए होता था किसी और से. I would look out for validation if it's right or wrong and discuss it with my friends sometimes, or just कोई मुझे बस बोल दे कि हाँ ठीक है, एक confirmation मिल जाए, right? But today I really don't. If I believe in it, I'm going ahead with it. So I literally own those decisions, which I'm so proud of. That is a major transformation. I've opened up. जो शायद मैं पहले इतना ज्यादा नहीं करती थी. Today I open up and I wear my scars very proudly. जो भी है, मैंने जो गलती भी किया हो लाइफ में, या जो भी whatever has happened or whatever it is, I am very proud of each and everything, and I openly talk about it because I don't think so मेरे को कोई जरूरत है या कोई शर्म भी है किसी चीज की कि मुझे इसको छुपाना चाहिए, because I'm very proud क्योंकि they have made me what I am today.
Great. So that is the what we are inside out. So same inside, same outside, right? And that is where the confidence comes. So it's always visible on your smile. It's always visible on your face because you are so much confident. You are so much proud of yourself, right? So there is nothing like a fake thing, right? So I always see this thing in you and your confidence and your this thing. So I'm also very proud of that. So very proud of you, Nidhi, for that.
Thank you, and I'm going to say I'm very proud of you, Kiran, because I just told you अभी शुरू करने से पहले मैं बोल रही थी किरण, मैंने बहुत बार I've told you this, when we met the first time and what you are today, you're one person I am so proud of your journey. The way it has been, this is amazing. And if you say that you can see it in my smile, I think I see it all over your face, your whole personality, how you have grown. I think that's wonderful, Kiran.
Thank you so much. So this is when we are same, like from inside and from outside. So there is nothing which is like stopping us from being the real we. So we are just the real we. Whatever we are same from inside, same from outside, right?
Yesterday I was just watching a short video clip. I'm sure many people might have watched it. Sudha Murthy was having a conversation with Shashi Tharoor. So she says that I can't lie. अपने बारे में बता रही थी कि मैं ना झूठ नहीं बोल सकती क्योंकि उसके लिए याद रखना पड़ता है ना पिछला झूठ क्या बोला. So might as well सच बोलो. So that's so true. अगर आप झूठ बोल रहे हो तो सोचना पड़ता है, अरे ये बोला था, उसको कवर अप करना पड़ेगा. So just be true to whatever you are. We all are humans, right?
Right. Absolutely right, Nidhi. So Nidhi, just tell me, now you have on this journey of impacting millions of lives, right? So what is your mission in life? What is in your mind that, yes, I need to do this. I need to do this.
So I'm not looking for anything that मुझे बहुत बड़ा famous होना है या ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Like you said, impacting, I think that's just enough for me. Impacting people's life. अगर मेरी वजह से अगर किसी एक इंसान की भी लाइफ बेटर हो सकती है, I think that is a big achievement for me because dunya mein, that's what I say. There's so much of hatred as of today. We need a little bit of love and hope.
Right.
Accept people the way they are. I have done this mistakes, and so many times I've not accepted people the way they are in the past. I don't think so. And I've understood. I've learned my own lessons. I've learned about myself. I've learned to accept myself. So I think even if I can touch anybody's life in any which way and make their life better, and I also feel uh, I have taken a lot of unconventional decisions in life. क्योंकि मेरे को, they say I'm not okay with something that's not okay. मुझे वो चीज बहुत इरिटेशन देती है. मुझे वो चीज बहुत I just want to make some I want to speak it out. I want to try to do something different. I don't like if there's something दुनिया क्या बोलेगी, ऐसे ही होना है चीजें. So I feel अगर हम अपने लिए करें थोड़ा बहुत, and that is wonderful, and that's what I want. If I can give some courage, some confidence to people to believe in themselves and make their life better, just their life better. एक एक करके सबकी एक better थोड़ी बहुत तो हो ही जाएगी.
Definitely. If you impact one life also, that one life may also impact.
In fact, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So it's just like spreading smile. If you give smile to someone, the smile will just pass on to other people as well.
Yeah.
Great, great. I just loved it because when we say yes, we need to do this, that, but it should be real, right? So this is what I feel is real, and anyone can do that, right?
Yeah. We just need to believe in it. I think each one of us has the capacity to do that.
Right. Very great. So Nidhi, what one lesson or one thing you will love to tell to our audience who are watching this? So what is that thing? What message will you want to give to our audience?
I just want to say, take action. I've seen a lot of people नहीं नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं होता है, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता है, मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है, मैं भी ये करना चाहता हूँ, मैं भी I also want to do this, I'm not able to do this because of my situations. I just want to say nothing is going to happen if you don't make that happen. You have to start somewhere. So just start. Just take that first step. Start तो करो, चीजें आगे होंगी, आगे बढ़ेंगी. That's all I want to say. People lose heart. The only problem is क्योंकि हम लोग end goal देखते हैं, लेकिन उसके बीच की journey नहीं देखते कि वो भी तो करनी होती है. You have to, you know, go through that journey also to reach that end goal. So I think people need to take action rather than just speaking.
Yes. Sure.
Just take action. Believe in yourself. There is always a better time. And one of my friends also said that, and I also believe in that. If you want something different, you have to do things differently. कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा आपको अलग.
Right, right. And the best thing is first you have to take that small action. That is very
Yeah.
And if you will not take, you will be at the same position. Nothing will gonna change, right?
Exactly. And another thing I think which is very important, stop comparing yourself. क्योंकि मेरी लाइफ किसी और के जैसी नहीं हो सकती, किसी और की तीसरे के जैसी नहीं हो सकती. We have our own journey. So if I want to become somebody else, I can't be that person. So we just अपना journey जियो. I think that is the best. You have to be your own benchmark.
Awesome, awesome message. This is what everyone should have this. And if this is inculcated from a very childhood age, then they will be like unstoppable. They can do whatever they can do, right? They want to do. So this is one thing which I also learned recently, that I used to compare myself to others. I was thinking that I'm not good enough, how I can do this, I'm not
I
like her. But when I changed my mindset, everything just fall in place. Whatever you want, you will get that. I
True.
firmly believe in that.
I too believe in that. You just have to believe in yourself, and everything is yours.
Right. So, Nidhi, last question. Just tell our audience about your book, because I know you have written a book as well. So let's speak about your author's journey. How was it?
It's very strange, actually. For years I wanted to be an author. I had thought that I'm going to write my memoir one day. लेकिन हाँ उसके लिए थोड़ा सा तो लोग मुझे जाने तभी तो मैं अपनी कहानी लिखूं. So I wanted to write. I had another journey which I wanted to pen down, which was becoming very tough because I'm sure you also know. वो पुश नहीं मिलता है अपने आप अकेले करने में. कभी कभी आप बीच में छोड़ देते हो. सो वो फेज, ऑफ कोर्स आई एम ह्यूमन, दैट आल्सो हैपेंड विद मी. सो a couple of us decided, 7 of us decided that let's write a co-authored book and let's contribute a chapter each, and that's what we've written about each of these chapters. It talks about our transformation, our journey through different walks of, the different parts of life, different times in our life each one of us have mentioned. So my particular chapter talks about muting and unmuting situations and people and things in my life,
Yeah.
how I have learned. So that
I
is what
read
my
some of your points, and that's great book. I loved it. So
Thank
any
you.
advice that you want to give to audience, that those who want to become an author, so what would be like that?
So something I've learned, I've understood is just write it down. Just start it every day. Just start writing. Just start writing. Even if it's a page, just start writing if you want to do it. And slowly you can keep compiling. Something that we all did struggle with was that we wanted to get it perfect, the first draft that we were writing. So the whole thing is just write it. उसको ठीक कर लेंगे बाद में, but पहले लिख लो.
Right.
Whatever is coming to your mind, just keep writing and penning it down. So
that
छोटे
is
छोटे
again,
notes.
take action, right?
Take action. It all boils down to that.
You want to achieve in your life, just take small actions, right?
True. Everything comes to that.
So thank you so much, Niti. It was a wonderful session. I loved your energy. It's just contagious. I loved it. So
Not
may
at all,
our
Kiran.
audience also get that energy, and they can also learn some lessons, some value from this. They can get some value from this session. Hoping for that only. So thank you so much for coming and just being.
Thank you. Thank you, Kiran, for giving me that honor and asking me to be here. Thank you so much. Really means a lot. Thank you, and wishing you so much of luck.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.